Hello, College Algebra. Welcome to week 4. You are halfway there. I know that there is so much material in this class, but most of you guys are doing really well. Those that need to catch up a little bit, definitely get in there, do what you need to do. I'm going to include the link to this Khan Academy video. And on the left-hand side here, you're going to see intersections and unions of sets, relative complements of sets. So an intersection, think about the streets. If you're at the intersection of Main Street and Worthington Street, what is going to happen? At that intersection, you're really standing on both streets. Where the union's going to be, that's going to be where it's going to be everybody together. It's not just at that intersection of those streets, but it's the entire of Main Street and the entire of Worthington Street. Relative complements, once we start talking about complements, the complement is everything that is in the universe, but is not in that actual set. Universal set, that's going to be everybody that's going to be there. You're going to have subsets, strict subsets, supersets. You're also going to have that basic set notation. Watch these videos and they'll definitely help you. And keep in mind, what does the word sound like? I'm also going to send you a link to this website. It's from Math is Fun, Sets and Venn Diagrams. What the sets and Venn diagrams are going to show you is once we start creating sets, here Alex, Casey, Drew, and Hunter all like soccer. Casey, Drew, and Jade all like tennis. So we're going to put them in their groups. When I look at the union, what I'm going to see is everyone's going to be listed only once. Casey and Drew liked both tennis and soccer. That's why they were in this group right here. That's the intersection. Jade liked tennis, but Jade did not like soccer. That's why she's over in the tennis circle, but she's not in the part that overlaps with soccer. Here, we're looking at the intersection. Where do they like both of them? So if we're talking about 3 sets, it's going to do what? Then you're going to have multiple intersection pieces. One thing I wanted to point out to you is if you get a question like this, this is section 8.2, homework number 3. What I want you to do with a question like this, they're going to start asking how many applicants, how many were in one group and not the other. Think about something like this. You're going to start in the middle. Who liked all 3, soccer, tennis, and volleyball? So if you looked at all 3, you start with Drew. What's going to happen is next, soccer and tennis. Casey liked soccer and tennis, and Drew did too, but Drew also liked volleyball. So when you get to a question that's asking you to do the count, start with who likes all 3, who's in all 3 groups. 19 had sales experience, college degree, and real estate. That 19 would go right here in the middle where Drew is. Then you have to start asking yourself the intersection pieces, college degree and real estate. Then you can fill in that piece. What do you have to be careful of? Just like we had already taken care of Drew, there's only going to be 5 left, because if I have 24 here that liked college degree and real estate, 19 of those actually liked all 3. So there's only 5 left that would fall into the intersection like Casey is up here. Just like you had Casey and Drew originally, you only have Casey left. In my example over here, you only have 5 left. The same thing's going to happen, sales experience and real estate. 21 minus 19, you're only going to have 2 in that group. Be really careful. Set notation is something that's very tedious. So you guys can do this. And if you have any questions, reach out, ask questions, and I will be here for you. Have a great night and have a great day.